Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Thermaltake Core P3 TZ Pro Open Air chassis. So friend, Thermaltake has revealed brand new open frame chassis, the Core P3 TZ Pro, and friend, this Core P series has long with Thermaltake iconic chassis design and remained the best selling product all along. And friend, the fan bracket can be installed on the very top of the chassis, which houses up to 3 120 mm fans and a 420 mm radiator, even a distro plate, making it ideal setup for AIO and DIY lovers. Besides, no more distressed GPU sagging you are afraid of, as we have got you covered by including a GPU holder. And friend, the rotational PCIe slots enable you to place your GPU horizontally and vertically depending on how you like to showcase your build. And friend, this thing is loaded in terms of I/O, which USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type C, two of the USB 3.0 and HD audio jack, and on the top of that the E80X up to 10.5-inch motherboard is also compatible with the Core P3 TZ Pro and supports up to 4 of the 3.5-inch HDDs or 5 of the 2.5-inch SSDs. And friend, two USB 3.0 and one USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C ports are placed at the front panel to grant direct access when added. And for storage compatibility, it supports up to 3.5-inch HDD into 4 or 2.5-inch SSD into 5. So friends, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.